Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you all are you fine. Let us start the topic now. Tense. What is the tense? What is the tense? Tense is a tense is a grammatical topic, not a concept. That is clear. What is the definition of the tense? Definition. The tense is the form of verb that shows the time of action or state of being is called tense. That is clear or not? Once more repeat definition. The tense is the form of the verb. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो टेंस है वो क्या बेटा एक वर्ब की फॉर्म है दैट की सो दिखाता है द टाइम ऑफ एक्शन और स्टेट ऑफ द बीइंग इन जो कार्य का उसका समय वो कब वो क्या हो रहा है दशा क्या उस काम की दैट क्लियर और अगेन इसके बाद लैटिन लैंग्वेज विच लैंग्वेज लैटिन लैंग्वेज विच वर्ड टेम्पस मीन्स टाइम टू टेंस दैट इज क्लियर ऑर्गन कैसे हुआ विच लैंग्वेज लैटिन लैंग्वेज चेंज टू टेम्पस और टेम्पस मीन्स टाइम टू टेंस दैट इज क्लियर देयर टाइप्स once more repeat we are reading the tense definition. What is the definition of the tense is the form of the verb that show all the time of action action that is action or state of being. Again, which language latin language which word tempus word means time to tense types. There are three main tense. There are three. Which tense? Main tenses are three. That is clear? Types. There are three main tenses. Firstly, present. Second, past. Third, future. That's clear? First, present tense. It shows. It means show दिखाता है. Action is done at present time. Present tense. It is so action is done at a present time. Example. I write a लेटर आई मीन्स मैं राइट लिखा ए लेटर एक पत्र मैंने एक पत्र लिख रहा हूँ द वर्क इज काम का इसमें क्या दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे सिर्फ काम दिखा रहा है तो प्रेजेंट टेंस इट इज शोज एक्शन इज डन एट प्रेजेंट टाइम दैट इज क्लियर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई राइट ए लेटर रिटन हियर आई राइट ए लेटर दैट इज क्लियर आफ्टर दैट पास्ट टेंस मीन्स एक्शन इज डन इन द पास्ट यानी जो काम है भूतकाल में क्या हुआ हो पूरा हुआ हो इन पास्ट टेंस action is done in the past tense. For example, I wrote a letter. मैंने एक पत्र लिखा था नहीं कि अब लिख रहा हूँ पहले लिखा हुआ था ठीक है That next future tense. Which tense? Future tense. Action will be done in the future. Which tense? Future tense. Action will be done in the future tense. I will write a letter. That is clear. मैं एक पत्र लिख सकता हूँ in that future works. Okay. Divided in every tense is divided three parts: present, past, and future tense. That's clear. Present, past, and future tense. Firstly, present tense divided in every tense divided in four parts. Every tense is divided in four parts. Every tense have a four branches. First, present indefinite. Present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. After that, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. That future tense, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. That is clear or not? Once more repeat. Present tense divided in present indefinite, after the present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past tense past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future tense future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. That's clear or not? Once more repeat. Firstly, we read the tense. We read this topic tense. Definition: the tense is the form of verb that shows the time of action or state of beings. That's clear. The tense is the form of verb. टेंस क्या है? क्रिया का जो टेंस है वो क्या बेटा? क्रिया की एक फॉर्म है. क्रिया है कि एक मतलब जो वर्ब होता है, क्रिया होती है, उसकी क्या होती है? एक फॉर्म है ये. दैट शोज द टाइम्स ऑफ एक्शन. ये क्या दिखाता है? कार्य का समय दिखाता है. और स्टेट ऑफ द बीइंग, और उस कार्य की दशा को क्या करता है? वो दिखाता है. इसका जो ओरिजिन हुआ था वो लिटिल लैंग्वेज. विच लैंग्वेज? लिटिल लैंग्वेज विच वर्ड टेम्पस वर्ड मीन्स द टाइम टू टेंस. दैट्स क्लियर. देर आर थ्री मेन टेंसेज. देर आर थ्री मेन टेंसेज. कितने मेन टेंसेज? 3 हैं. फर्स्टली प्रेजेंट, सेकंड पास्ट, थर्ड फ्यूचर. दैट्स क्लियर. प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर. फर्स्टली वी रीड प्रेजेंट टेंस. इट शोज एक्शन इज डन एट प्रेजेंट टाइम. विच टेंस? प्रेजेंट टेंस. इट शोज एक्शन इज डन एट ए प्रेजेंट टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई राइट ए letter. That's clear. After the past tense, action is done in the past. Past tense, action is done in the past tense. For example, I wrote a letter. That's clear. After future tense, action will be done in the future. Action will be done in the future. Example, I will write a letter. Now, every tense divided in 4 parts. Every tense divided in 4 parts. Firstly, present tense. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. After that, past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. That's future tense, present, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Okay. Next page. This is a tense chart. This is a tense chart. That is very easy. Present, past, future. That's clear. Divided. Every tense divided in 4 parts. That's clear. First, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. That is use of helping. Use here helping verb and main verb. Firstly, use here helping verb. Main verb first form with s or es. Main verb first form with s or es. After that, use helping verb of do and does. That is negative and interrogative sentence. Which tense? Which sentence? Interrogative or negative. Use helping verb here do and does. After the main verb first form. After that, continuous tense. Which helping verb use here? Is mr. Is mr. After that, main verb first form with ing. Is mr plus main verb first form with ing. After that, present perfect tense. Use here has or have. Has or have. Main verb third form. Perfect continuous. Has have with been. Has have with been. Main verb first form with ing plus time. Repeat once more. Present tense. Present main verb first form with s or es. Use here do and does. That is singular subject. Use of does. Understood or not? When use the does, that is singular subject. Which subject? Singular subject use only does.